got one brain cell. You had two earlier, but now we know two.
Look at that. That's boiling hot, Dylan.
So let me go stand by the edge.
You wouldn't even get close to
Isn't
it.
that something?
Ugh, the stink.
You still can't get over the smell yet?
No.
I don't smell it anymore. Somehow
Unless a big thing comes at you, yeah. But it's not so bad.
But I love the feel of the steam.
Good
the
day.
steam shit.
That's why you have to come back and look around New Zealand. We've got some awesome things to see.
We got Waikamo Caves.
Yeah,
Glowworm.
we went to the glowworm caves, didn't we, Dylan?
We just
You go
went
on
for
a
the
boat.
first time.
You go on a boat
Yeah.
and it's underground cave and